Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates about the Rocket Rabbit bot. If you've been following along, you probably have a lot of questions, and I'm here to clear things up. Have you been wondering when you'll get your earnings from Rocket Rabbit? Well, stay tuned because I've got some exciting information for you. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. First off, let's talk about the airdrop distribution. Rocket Rabbit recently announced that they will only be releasing 50% of your earnings initially. So, if you see $100 in your wallet soon, remember that there's another $100 waiting for you. That's right, the remaining 50% will be released over the next 5 months through ongoing activities. It's a gradual process, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Now, I know many of you have been curious about the bot's performance and how it's handling the airdrops. Recently, Rocket Rabbit posted on their platform, informing us that they're working on distributing profits and checking user eligibility. This review process is crucial as they want to ensure fairness, especially concerning users who might have engaged in shady practices. From what I've gathered, the bot is currently assessing who played fair and who didn't. It's all about maintaining integrity within the community. If you've been playing by the rules, you can look forward to those earnings coming your way. They mentioned very important statement. This is about verifying eligibility and the criteria for the airdrop. These are the official requirements for you to receive your airdrop. You need to have a good amount of tokens. This means that the reward you'll receive is based on the total profits you've generated from the bot, specifically the profits per hour. Next, they mentioned that you must pay network fees. These fees are the required part. They added a crucial requirement that you need to perform a transaction similar to Mask Empire in order to start receiving your profits. The transaction wasn't large, only about 0.5 ton, which is approximately $3. Finally, they stated that you need to connect your wallet, and the most important thing is that when they look you up, they need to find you subscribed to the bot's channel. You also need to have completed the required transaction of 50 cents. Let's break down what to expect. September 20th, this was the expected date for the first round of airdrops. September 21st, the bot began checking eligible users. September 22nd, this is when the actual airdrop distribution to qualified users will start. However, your funds won't be visible in your wallets just yet. September 23rd. That's when Rocket Rabbit plans to list their new token on major exchanges, providing liquidity and trading opportunities. And mark your calendars for September 24th. That's when you can start withdrawing your earnings. Yes, you heard it right. This is the day you'll finally get your hands on your profits. In short, if you're a Rocket Rabbit user, prepare for a busy couple of days ahead. You'll receive 50% of your earnings soon, and then the rest will follow in due time. Plus, exciting new projects and features are on the horizon. Make sure to keep an eye on your wallets. Stay tuned for updates. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.